What does your baby bird say? What does he say? What do you have in your hand? Is that your turtle?
Turtle.
Turtle? That's right. All you need is a frog. That's right. What would happen if an elephant came by? What would an elephant say? That's right. I see you have a snake there. What does a snake say? That's right. Yay!
Mom.
What? More? More? What else? What does a cow say?
Mom.
What does a sheep say? That's right. What does a horsey say? Good job. What does a kitty say? That's what Chloe says. What does a doggy say? What does Presley say? What does Chloe say? Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Stop it.